Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the Live Trading Alert Call Room. Today is Monday, April 24th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today in the room, we had one, and then we were trying two, three. We basically had one trade here. We tried an ES long, and then again, and then a short, and then again. It's all kind of the same, two times the same long. We had to get out of it. Let me go through what we had here. Gold from left to right, starting with gold. We had a long in gold at 73.5. 73.5. We took the trade up, and we basically were able to stay in it until the room closed for those who wanted to. Told everybody when the market was up here. We just closed about 5-10 minutes ago. Told everybody when the market was up right up here. This green candle was up there, was sitting up there. I said, we're closing. You see the time, 11 o'clock. I said, just get out of the trade. For anybody who wants to hold it, I gave them instruction on what to do. But realistically, can't count anything really that much after the room closes because I'm not here to help. So 73.5. Up to about 77.5 max would have been 40 ticks, and it was really around 35. So about 35 ticks realistically, 30, 35, anywhere in here. And that was a beautiful trade. And then in the ES, again, we had this thing just, do nothing here all morning. We tried to get long on a power play. It did make a point for some people. Other people had to add 71. Okay, we added. Okay, we were easily able to get out at break even there. When it came back up again, I told everybody, and we were talking about this 72 level the whole time. I said before you even got in the first time, I said, conservative would be to wait till it gets above 72.50, 73. But if we want to try it, we want it to kind of go. I said if we add, we'd probably be okay this time, which was the case. When it came back up again, people were asking to try it again. I said, look, if we try it again, we want it to go. Right? I don't want it because we were getting close to what we call a ZL. So got in there, and I also said that people could get into the crude as well. It was on this candle here, but again, I said if these didn't go, we just got to get out of the trade, and that's what happened. We didn't add here because I said if it doesn't go. Now, if you would have added here, you would have been able to get out. 71, you would have added at 69. You never would have been stopped out. It came back up. You would have easily been able to get out at 70. But we were not in at that point. But if you did stay in, you still would have been okay. And then because we were not in, I said, well, if you want to try a short, this may be a little early. Time of day and things like that. Tried 68 short, added at 70, got out of break even. Hit it again at 68, made a couple points. No real, then again, we had to get out because we closed the room. So a couple points there on that trade after a couple break evens. Pay a few commissions, so make a little bit of money there. But the goal was really the best one of the day. And we're going to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. And until then, everybody have a great day.